Welcome to my channel. In this video, I create 1/6 scale Christmas decorations. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and tell me which one is your favorite. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.